Hello, primos, primas, hermanos y hermanas, tíos, tías, little boys and little girls. Not for you, okay? Today we're taking a short family break from the pandemic required isolation, and we're kind of 6 feet apart, and we have a secret ingredient which we're going to do a drink. So for the secret ingredient, it's actually grown in-house. The secret ingredient is mint. We have a beautiful mint coming up. So I'm gonna take some leaves, some ramitas, here and here. I'm gonna wash them, and I'm gonna show you how to make the classical mojito, but we're gonna make the pandemic mojito, which whatever you have in the pantry, pandemic, not pandemic. The fresh mint smells delicioso. Okay, so the typical Cuban mojito is white rum, sugar, brown sugar, or simple syrup, lime, not lemon, and soda. So that will be all your ingredients. Now, we today are going to do what we call the pandemic mojito. We're going to make our own version of the mojito. And the first thing we do, same as the classic, we get about 8 to 10 leaves of mint per glass, depending how big your leaves are. More mint the better. So let me borrow this one from the Cuban side. I think we're doing good. Sometimes I do put a little bit of sugar just to help it majarlas, muddle. So we're going to muddle the leaves. You don't have to kill the leaves. You just kind of muddle them. Then we have lime or lemon. I said this is going to be option. So we go lime or lemon. Why not? We have a squeezer, at least half per glass. And we drop the squeezed lemon so the lemon oils contribute to the drink. These are delicious Florida lemons. Probably Florida lemons made in Mexico, I don't know. Okay, we leave that guy there. And now we're gonna go get the ice. Okay. Before you add the ice, you wanna add the simple syrup, if you like it, sugar, diet, Splenda, if you don't want it. We're gonna use agave. Agave is delicious because it's from the agave plant, just a little bit, not a lot. Just to cut the lemon. And we're gonna use the white rum to dilute, put it in so it dilutes the agave. This is my 2 fingers of rum. And when I talk about 2 fingers of rum, I do not mean 2 fingers like this. I mean 2 fingers like that. Okay? Now, we're going to stir up a little bit to get the agave melting. Hit the lemon a couple of times with a straw. Okay, now we're gonna go with the ice. It's summer, so almost summer, so we use a lot of ice. Oops, it's freezing. The ice doesn't want to collaborate. It doesn't want to melt. Ya tenemos este.
Okay.
Okay. In the Cuban style, you would use soda, but we're going to use some alternatives. And that's why you don't need any sugar if you don't want to, because this is already sweet. So 7-Up will be a choice. A Sprite, diet or none. Any Spanish lemon lime drinks will probably work, clear. We're going to use diet Sprite because we want to lose weight. I'm not kidding. Okay. All right. Okay. We're using bamboo reusable straws, very conscious. And let's see how it came out. Just about perfect. Salud, amor y peseta. Cheers.